Hello, my name is Nancy Carolina Marulanda Penagos. I present my tax form. I talk about how do you see the future of our planet? Okay, I consider that our planet is slowly dying if people don't become aware of the damage of that we are causing the environment and as each decision and action affect our planet, we will end up destroying our own habitat. Currently, different compounds are used that generate higher yield and optimize used that generate optimize production. However, the final disposal of this waste is what really causes damage of the environment. The use of these elements has caused and continue to cause great damage. It is evident that the climate is changing. The cold and heat are more intense in many parts of the world, which is affecting the crops, decreasing the availability of weather and generating diseases. The final disposal of technology waste generates great environmental pollution because they are toxic and contaminate water, soil, and affect the skin and health of the people. The increasing technology development has increased the levels of consumption of the population. Every day, new products with little useful life are created that are single use and later discarded, generating high levels of environmental production. Additionally, these companies don't take into account during their productive process that are environmentally friendly policies. Note how to mitigate the environment damage. There is no need to wait for environmental policies to mitigate the damage we do to weather, air, and land on a daily basis. We can start with small actions such as the proper separation of waste, the reduction of water consumption through reuse of it, the use of alternative means of transport to don't involve the consumption of fossil fuel. For example, walking, using a bicycle, using public transport or sharing our vehicle. The current environment crisis requires urgent measures. It is necessary to generate policies to promote and oblige the use of clean and environmentally friendly energy. Engaging children and adolescents must be a priority. It is necessary to promote the environment share in schools and encourage those institutions that have environment initiatives such as recycling and reuse of organic biodegradable waste or that be transformed into other goods. No more. Thanks.